Well, you guys, definite temperature change. Sunny, beautiful one day, rainy the next. Good morning, Jackie Jack. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday the 8th. It is day 1443. We're on our last actual exercise day of week 16 and of Liberty Fit 2017. We are doing 30 minutes today. Alright, you guys, we have 2 days, today and tomorrow, until our half marathon. And I'm so nervous and so, like, just, I don't know, apprehensive about it. Because I'm really just nervous about walking that distance, the thing on my foot, like pain, doing it in a time that I'll be happy with and won't be upset with. I want to do it in 3 hours and something. My max number would be 3:20. If I can get under, like, that, I can get under 3:20, I think I would just be happy. But I'm trying to think in the way of, like, hey, you did a half marathon, you should just be happy that you did a half marathon. So it's going to be really exciting to do that. But we have, Friday is going to be a lot of prep day, pretty much. So I'm probably going to have to just have a lot of, like, maybe a shorter vlog. We are going to do spaghetti lunch. But we're also going to be doing prep things. We're going to have pasta for dinner and other half marathon things. My cutest fiance! Hi, my cutest fiance.
Hello.
Mwah! How was your day at work?
Terrible.
Why?
Because it was work.
Oh.
Guess what I got though?
What?
I know, one of those gift card things.
Really?
Yeah, but I spent it all. I got you something
You
super awesome.
spent it all, Andrew Brusseau.
Yeah, I got you something super awesome though.
Did you?
Yeah, see, look. I'll show you.
Oh my god. First of all, for the record, Andrew showed him and his dad. Andrew showed his dad Wish, and he uses Wish. They are on Wish way too much, looking at things and buying things. But what did you get?
I got you.
You didn't! I really wanted that!
And I got you this.
Oh, How to Train Your Dragon!
Oh,
How cute!
Then I got this.
A star?
No, it's an Assassin's Creed flag.
And he says I'm a nerd. Tootsie! Gotta make your appearance in the vlog, don't ya?
I'm only getting MLG glasses for my birthday. Oh really? They actually exist. You know, I have a pair. I have a gold pair, I have a black pair, and I have a blue pair. Yeah. Hot topic, bro. You wanna know what? You wanna know what's super awesome? You can't see it right now, but I'm recording everybody. Oh, I see that. I see the camera. I can see the camera. I didn't know about those on YouTube. Wait, so are you watching this? I think so. I'm wearing dark ones right now just because I like them. Turn them on? Yeah, I have the dark ones on right now. Like the dark ones, but it looks like I'm just wearing a pair of glasses. This is so cool. Corner of your eye?
Oh yeah.
That's the recording one.
This is so cool.
You take pictures, you can record things.
Is it shaky a lot?
It's actually really, like, you'd be surprised because you figure, like, as you're walking, like, you feel your body, like, shake, right? So, like, if you're not like moving your head like this, you're like that, it's actually really clear. The last time I used them was in
it feels like I'm wearing high-tech glasses.
When was the last time I used this? Like January when it snowed? I feel like January when it snowed, I walked through Noble with glasses on my face.
So, about the wide angles, how much can the camera see right now? Can it see
everything you can see? It can see.
Like from 180 degrees.
Yeah. So if you can see out this way towards the baseball fields, like I'm looking straight, I can see my finger. If I just slightly turn my eyes, I can see it, but the camera still can see it.
This is so cool. Can you see my eyes right now?
Huh?
Can you see my eyes?
That's why I got the black ones on. Like it came with 4 different kinds. So there was the black pair that's on it right now. There was a
looks cool.
tan pair.
I'm not sure if the camera can actually see the reflection of my phone, but I look cool. Oh, seriously?
That's a high power camera. I mean, it looks like it
Is it 4K?
is. It is ultra 4K.
So it's really good quality. Yeah, I can definitely see the camera. As soon as I saw the circle around the thing, I'm all like, hey, that's a camera. I know that's a camera because I've seen a lot of cameras before.
There's a pair that literally looks just like these are, like just normal glasses. So it looks like I'm not even wearing any.
Also, well, hold on. Did you also like first record like when we went out or in the inside?
Literally, as we were walking out of the building, I pushed the record button. So the entire time we've been out, I've been recording.
All right. So, how long are we gonna keep on recording this?
Until she says to stop.
Okay.
Or practicing.
Speeder. That's a speeder. It legit feels like I'm wearing like a helmet.
For my birthday,
I don't know
you
what.
were like, what do you want for your birthday? And I was all like, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this.
How good is the audio?
Amazing.
So it can hear everything right now,
Everything you can hear.
including the cars and my voice.
Honestly, voice has
That's pretty good, man.
so like, so my friend was like, what do you want for your birthday? So I just started going off the list. I was like, this. So he goes, okay. So he got me all that, and then he's all like, I got you spyglasses too. I'm all like, fake it. And he's all like, yeah, we have a camera now. We're putting in a chip, and I push the button, and I'm all like, got me a pair of spyglasses. Who got the pair of spyglasses?
Oh, by the way, I clap very loudly, folks. For the people who are watching this footage, be sure to also subscribe to Wacky Jackie.
Don't plug yourself anymore.
I know.
Don't be plugged.
I like to have subscribers. Well, so does everyone.
Don't be plugging, man.
Sometimes I got to adjust the glasses at one point, but
Logan Paul says always be plugging.
this is so freaking cool.
Well, this is the not the last time, but this is the last time we're gonna see the school this year. Oh no, it's not. We're coming here Friday, but this is the last official practice. Oh, Jackson, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute too. Look at you. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of our vlog for Thursday. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is our last official day of week 16. It's not the official end of Liberty Fit yet. We have 2 more days of Liberty Fit, but it's the official end of our calendar days of Liberty Fit. And it's so sad. But tomorrow we have a really fun day planned with the spaghetti lunch, and then we have a couple other things we need to get done. It's gonna be so much fun. And then Saturday we have the big race. I was gonna say something and now I cannot think. Oh, we got sunglass footage today from our very last day of Liberty Fit. Andrew wore the sunglasses that record, and he got some really good footage that I will add of us walking along and everything like that. And yeah, so we had a great day, and I'm just really happy today. I just feel really blessed today. I'm going to insert at the end of the vlog a picture of what our shirts are going to look like. We get a Helvetia shirt, if you guys don't know. We get a Helvetia shirt. When you enter into Helvetia, you get a medal, the burger, and a shirt. And you know, it says Helvetia hat and everything. And you get a bag that has some goodies in it too. Usually has snacks and things. Well, this year it's supposedly have a drink, some type of cookie thing, a Cliff Bar, and then a really cool tote bag, and then the shirt. And so I'll insert a picture of what the shirt is going to look like, and then I will again show you on Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow. Good night, little stars.